to tell us if you are army. Uh, my grandfather said, no, I'm not an army. That's why my father have a tuberculosis, guys. I'm a grandfather, my mother father, because he's very weak. He's burned already his body, but he is really surviving. God is not allow him to die. They put in the prison without food, without water. They are make the ground, no, every day, one by one. They are, and then expand and going to the river. They do that, guys, until the river. See how very it takes years to. And then after that, they are, the American coming to the Philippines to rescue Philippines, no? Help a Filipino, no? But the Japanese is already at backward already, because they saw something in the Philippines that they scared it, no? They saw the canyon in the sea, because people are there ready for the canyon, which is not canyon, to make a Japanese scared. Very wise Filipino. Yeah. um yes, yeah, lots of, yeah, double tap your screen. Thank you, Biglon. Yeah. Oh wow. Yes, and then my father, my grandfather have a when the American catch the Japanese army, one by one they catch, and then my grandfather trying to hit. At least he can, the American catch it. He said, "Sir, no, we have justice." My grandfather said, "Woo!" He burned, his back is burned, suffering, no, our grandfather and my mom's side. So that's what happened to before. And then my grandmother in my father's side, it's really nice. She is always make my clothes, no? He is fixing the clothes for me. So because most of the time, because I'm a six part, no? If my mom buy five only, because that's the only budget, no, I am six, I don't have always. So my grandmother go home and make me a clothes. After that, wow, a clothes like this, guys. Oh, flower, very attractive. And I said, yes, I have clothes. After 1 hour of cry. Ay, ay, ay. That's the only people who are guided us when we are young, and they are slowly died. So that's what our grandparents, our grandfather in my father's side is really smart, like my father. They are managed here, all this area. He is the one to manage it. No? They have a boss, the owner and the land, and he is the one to the right hand of the owner of this land. So he is the one to is managing here. So what is that? Oh wow, this is good stuff to hear. Make this a short bit of highlight button. Thanks for sharing. Yeah. The Japanese is the hero before in the Philippines.